Hi there, my name is Joseph. Let me share a quick VS Code tip. From version 1.97 onwards, VS Code has built-in image preview support for SVG files. Basically, when you open an SVG file, it will show the preview instead of the code. But what if you want to see the code like in previous versions? Just click the Reopen as Source Test button in the top right corner of the Editor tab. You can instantly view and make changes to the SVG code. Click the button again to switch back to preview. You can also view the code by right-clicking the SVG file, selecting Open With from the menu, and choosing Test Editor. It will open the code in a new tab which you can place on the side or wherever you want. If you want to open every SVG as code, you can do that by going to Settings. Click on Workbench and under Editor Associations, click Add Item. Type star.svg, select default as the value and click OK. That's it. Now every SVG file will open as a test file instead of showing the preview. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and checking out my other videos and shorts. Thanks for watching.